Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to favorite a task on ClickUp. Maybe you want to quickly access and prioritize tasks that are especially important or frequently used. So today I'm going to show you how to favorite a task on ClickUp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, you will see all of your tasks. Now, find the task that you want to favorite. For example, I want to favorite this task, so simply tap on it. Once you have opened the task, tap on this three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. A menu will pop up below with various options. Here, you can now see this Add to Favorites option. Since you wanted to favorite this task, simply tap on this option. After that, you now have successfully favorite a task on ClickUp. You can now easily access the task by going to the favorite section. There you go. If you wanted to know how to favorite a task on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to favorite a task on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.